Hey folks, hope you're having a good week. I just want to share with you a couple things that I feel like is one of the most important things about being a handyman. And that is having an inventory for whatever is needed, whenever it's needed. I keep a ton of things here at home, but some of the things that come up, I've got dryer elements, I've got roof vent um, housing, I've got rivets for what's needed, I've got the hide cable parts, door stops, I've got capacitors and whatnot for ACs. I've got plenty of wiring, Romex for both 14 and 12 gauge. I've got coax cable. I've got dishwasher parts. I've got all the plumbing items you can think of, between couplers, cartridges, toilet ring repair kits, shower drains, P-traps, more cartridges, dryer plugs, more Romex, drywall stuff, all the different types of nails and screws that we need. We got carpet tape down there. I keep outlets, switches, boxes, clamps for PEX, solder for copper, all the painting stuff you think we would need. We've got glues and stuff. There's our capacitors, thread tape, sandpaper, igniters for a fireplace, thermocoupler, items for screen porches, tons of different things. So you always want to be prepared for whatever comes up, whenever it comes up. Stay safe and be the remedy.